What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to a daily Ethereum update. In this video, if you're new to this channel, first of all welcome. But in this video we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum, some of the fundamentals around it, obviously the merge, but also some other statistics, and then what I think is going to happen with the price in the upcoming days at least. Alright, so it's going to be quite a short-term analysis. It's still quite early morning for me, so we're just going to take it easy. Yeah, so the main thing is yesterday we were actually, compared to other cryptos, Ethereum wasn't that bullish, but when you say things like that, you also have to mention that compared to other cryptos over the last 3 months, Ethereum is one of the most bullish cryptos out there. All right, Ethereum has sustained these levels up here almost the longest. Obviously there are cryptos that stayed up there and continue to bull run. For example, Atom has definitely done that. You can check that out right here. They have just continued that uptrend, which is a great thing to see. But if you take a look at Ethereum itself, it's very bullish too, at least in my opinion. And you shouldn't forget that Ethereum, it's one of the biggest cryptos, right? Volume has dropped down a little bit. It's still relatively high at 8.4%. I am expecting that to increase with the merge, and I also think right now that the rally before the merge has started. All right, and that is a great thing, but it's also quite a dangerous thing, because a rally always ends with a big drop, right? That's usually how a rally ends. The top will always be followed by a big drop. You can also see that right here. This was also a rally followed by a drop. So I think, at least for now, we'll still be in the rally. All right, so taking a look at the price, and we'll later get back to those fundamentals. Taking a look at it right now, as you can see, we're now struggling with 1750. I think we're going to reject back down a little bit, down to that 1650, 1670 level. And then from there, we might consolidate a little bit, but I think we're going up to our next price target between 1800 and 1830. And when we reach that level, it's a great thing that I update these analysis daily, because at this point of time, I'd say there's a very fair chance that after touching 1800 and finding some resistance, that will break it a little bit later, and that will get up towards that 2000 level. That's very possible, but that also largely depends on the market circumstances and the kind of touch we get off of that level, right? So I will be back with more daily updates on Ethereum, whether I can come and see whether I can confirm something like this before the merge, or that it's more likely that 1800 is going to be the top for a little bit longer, and that when the merge happens, we'll either have another rally and drop, or that will just stay kind of right here and have a small drop. That's also possible. So for now, something like this I would see as the most likely scenario. But you have to know that this is kind of a bold claim, right? Because I'm saying we're getting to that local top again, even though the fundamentals, the fundamentals around the market still aren't great. They're quite bad, actually. We're going to have, just Thursday, 2 days ago, we had an interest rate from the ECB. We'll get an interest rate decision later on this month from the Federal Reserve. They're going to hike it, so it's not looking great. This is all purely because of the merge, I think. So yeah, that's my short-term analysis and some insights and my thoughts around it. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, please ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. I want to wish you all a great weekend, and take care. Bye.